What's up guys, I'm Sean. This is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma. I already added 33s, a Bilstein lift kit, and JBA upper control arms. If you haven't seen my Tacoma playlist yet, check it out. Today I'm going to be adding this transmission skid plate by Ricochet Off Road. It's raw aluminum and it comes with some hardware. So Ricochet Off Road does a lot of stuff for ATVs and motorcycles, and they do a few things for Toyotas. I picked this up because it was aluminum and it was actually pretty cheap. This transmission skid plate weighs just about 15 pounds. My Tacoma already comes with a factory skid plate. I know it's pretty thin and pretty weak. I'm going to eventually replace this, but not until later. So my Tacoma doesn't come with a transmission skid plate. That's why I want to add something here to provide a little bit more protection and also make it harder for someone to steal my cats. Loosen the 12mm bolt right there and right there for the factory lower engine skid plate. Loosen the 4 12mm bolts right here. Loosen the 12mm here and on the other side as well, just give a little more room to play. This is the stock hardware for the bracket. The kit comes with some longer bolts. I'm not sure if this is too long or not, but we'll see. It also comes with this washer type thing for the front. Alright, I have a game plan. It's ready to install. Just loosely install all the hardware. Hardware is loosely installed. I'm going to roll it down. The long bolts provided from the kit was perfect for the rear, but it's too long for the front. So I'm going to repurpose my OEM bolts and use it here instead since it's shorter. As you can see here, the bolts provided with the kit, well, it doesn't have threads here, but it's also maybe about a ½ inch too long. So Ricochet, if you're listening, include shorter bolts by about ½ inch and fully threaded. I'm going to use the OEM bolt from the rear because it's about ½ inch shorter and it's fully threaded. So let's see if this is going to work. If not, then I need to go buy a shorter bolt. There you go, fits perfect. Do the same for the side. Alright guys, everything done. Transmission skid plate installed. I think this is probably the cheapest kit on the market. It was about $150 shipped for raw aluminum from Ricochet Off Road. And the fitment is pretty good. Besides the 2 bolts in the front being a little long, not a big deal because I repurposed the rear bolt. Or you can also buy shorter bolts from the hardware store. Plenty of clearance from the bracket to the skid plate here. Plenty of clearance on this side as well. So now I have a little bit of extra protection to my transmission. and it's going to be a little bit more difficult to steal the cats with the skid plate in the way and this bar in the way. It doesn't affect ground clearance because this bar hangs lower than the skid plate and the stock exhaust hangs lower than the skid plate. I have a few more things I'd like to do as far as armor. The transfer case skid and the fuel tank skid, but that's down the line. But for now, I'm happy with the transmission skid. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.